Then we increased the salt to 26 and got a beautiful motion effect. Now, let's try generating a video of a woman riding a bike. These are the videos generated with the free AI video generator. Many YouTubers with thumbnails promising unlimited free AI generator just end up showing you Kling Minimax, or other paid services their workaround, using multiple emails to bypass limits and a bad practice. In this video, I'll reveal a truly unlimited offline AI image to video generator that you can run locally on your PC, completely free. AI video generators are revolutionizing content creation, making it easier than ever to produce high-quality videos in minutes. But finding a free, reliable tool, especially one that works without an internet connection, isn't easy. Today, I'll introduce you to the best offline AI video generator you can use for free on your local PC. No paywalls, no tricks, and no restrictions. While tools like Kling and Halio AI offer some free generations, they come with watermarks, strict limitations, and are only for non-commercial use. Many AI video tools have hidden costs, including expensive pricing plans, cloud-based processing requirements, and restrictions on free usage before forcing you to pay. For YouTube creators, freelancers, and indie filmmakers, these limitations just don't work. You need a tool that offers unlimited video generation, works offline, and gives you full control over your content. I tested several AI video tools, from text to video generators to AI-powered editors. Most had major drawbacks such as watermarks, login requirements, or online-only processing. But after thorough testing, I found one tool that stands out, truly free offline AI video generator with no limits. The tool is LTX Video. Unlike cloud-based AI generators, LTX Video runs entirely on your local computer, meaning no internet is required, no watermarks are applied. No usage limits exist, and you have full control over your videos. I have tried other image-to-video workflows. ConvidioX has good quality generation but is very slow on my AGB GPU. Comfyui is text-to-video only for now. After all my testing, I've settled on LTX Video because it's fast and lightweight. My system has 8GB VRAM and 32GB RAM. I pushed the resolution up to 28x720 HD, and amazingly, it does not crash. A 10 to 15 minute render time for HD resolution is not bad. You can upscale it to full HD 1920x1080 easily without much quality degradation. The LTX Video workflow is called salt and pepper. The default settings are good enough to run any image to video generation, but I push the steps up to 100 because we are rendering a high-resolution image. The captions are also auto-generated and fed into the prompt for better accuracy. No need for manual prompt input. You just load the image and click Q, and it will generate a video. If you want to create a custom prompt, you can unplug the socket. The average rendering time is 10 to 15 minutes per video. Sometimes it hangs, and I have to bring up the console window and press Enter to make the progress move again. If you feel it is stuck, just press Enter several times on the console. Now, let's generate some videos with LTX Video and see the results. We can see that it maintains the image quality and brings static images to life, all completely free and offline. Sometimes you will get a static video with no movement. That's when you need to tune the salt and pepper settings. For small, detailed movements, increase the salt. For bigger motion, like cars, vehicles, and other large-scale movements, increase the pepper. The house on fire is static. Let's increase the pepper to 2. Here we see a slight camera zoom in movement, but it's not enough. Let's increase the pepper again. For portrait and close-up images, 22 salt and 1 pepper was enough, but adjust it according to the image. More detailed images need more salt and pepper. Like I said before, pepper controls big camera movements, while salt controls small micro detail movements. The house burning didn't have any movement at first. We increased the pepper to 2 and got slight camera movement, then we increased the salt to 26 and got a beautiful motion effect. Now, let's try generating a video of a woman riding a bike. We get a smooth movement, but it's in reverse. Perhaps we can reverse it in a video editor to make it play forward. This was generated in just 15 minutes, for free, with no credits or limits. You can even run a batch of images overnight, Now, let's try the portrait image again with 26 salt and 2 pepper. Now that's a lot of movement. Start with the default 22 salt and 1 pepper, and if you get a static image, start cooking with salt and pepper. What do you think about LTX video? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, subscribe and comment in the video. Thank you.